In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create team boards in Trello. We'll walk through creating a new board, placing it in the right workspace, setting the visibility so your team can find it, and inviting teammates to collaborate. I'll also share a few tips along the way to help you keep things organized and secure. Start on your Trello home screen. At the top navigation bar, click the Create button, then choose Create Board. This tells Trello you want a new board, not a card or a workspace. If you see options like Create Workspace, ignore those for now. We're focusing on the board itself. Next, give your board a clear, descriptive title. A good name makes it easy for everyone to recognize what the board is for. Consider adding a project code or team name if your organization uses one. For example, Marketing Roadmap Q3 or Customer Support Sprint. Right below the title, choose the workspace that should house this board. Workspaces are where your team lives in Trello, and every board belongs to one. Picking the correct workspace ensures the right people can discover and collaborate on the board without you having to manage complicated access later. Before you finish, configure the board's visibility. Open the visibility settings and select Workspace. This setting makes the board visible to all members within that workspace, so your teammates can find it and participate. It's not public on the web, and it won't be visible to people outside your workspace. If you're curious, private limits visibility to invited members only, while public makes the board visible to anyone with the link. But for team collaboration, Workspace is usually the safest and most convenient choice. Confirm your settings, and Trello will create the board. Now, invite your team. On the board, click the Share button. You can add people by entering their email addresses, which sends them a direct invite. This is great when you know exactly who should join. Alternatively, generate an invite link. Share that link in your team's trusted channels for quick access. Keep in mind that links can be forwarded, so only share them where appropriate. If prompted, choose the appropriate access level so teammates can contribute without changing admin settings unless they need to. That's it. You created a board, placed it in the right workspace, set visibility to workspace, and invited your team members. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up. It really helps us out. And consider subscribing for more practical tutorials. Let us know in the comments what you think and what we can do to improve future videos. Thanks for watching.